Hello and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I like to sync up my audio and video inside of Davinci Resolve. This way you can shoot with multiple camera angles or multiple video inputs, or you could even use external microphones or anything like that. This video will show you how to hook all those things up and have them work together seamlessly. So, without any further ado, let's jump into it. Alright, so this is the example clip. What you need to do is get everything running. Make sure every camera can see you, every mic can hear you, and then you just do that so that every camera sees when your hands come together and so that every microphone sees that spike in its audio waveform. So we're going to jump back into Davinci now, and I'm going to show you how to make sure that all of those go together. Alright, so here we are inside of Davinci, and we have our two clips. These both came from different sources. This top one here came from my camera that I'm filming with, and this bottom one came from my screen capture software that I film my Davinci window with. So, you can see here that I have two really big spikes, and if we go and watch those, just do, it's the moment when I clap. So we need to take those and line them up so that they happen at the same time. But the caveat here is that I'm filming both of these in different frames per second. So they're going to not line up just perfectly, but I will fix that and I'll show you guys how that happens. So we're going to zoom in. You can do this by using these minus and plus keys, sliding the slider, or using your scroll wheel while holding Alt. So we are going to get down to where we have our spikes. We're going to make sure that snapping is not turned on. If it is, you can just hit N to turn it off or N to turn it back on. So we're going to go ahead and with snapping off, drag that over until they're as close as we can get them, and then we're going to hit play. That went really well, actually. So you just get those lined up, and then if your visuals don't line up, which we're going to check right now by shrinking that down, you're going to go ahead and, yeah, you can see right there that the visuals, even though the audio is working, we don't get correct visuals. So we're going to go ahead and find where the hands come together on the first one, right there. And then we're going to move this second one until it's at the correct spot where that clap is happening. But we don't want to move the audio from where it is, so we're going to hit Control-Alt-L to unlink those clips. And then we're going to click somewhere so that they're not selected, and then we're going to click on only the video portion. Then we're going to move that forward, touch, 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 until we get to that same visual frame right there. And now if we hit play, we get the sound together and we get the visuals together. It's that easy. So if you were to do this on a production, on a set, or wherever you're doing this, you go ahead and you give a good solid clap before you start filming, or you can use one of those clapper boards and then you use that spike to line up your audio in post, and then you just cut that off from your edit. And then you'll be good to go. So hopefully you learned everything you were looking to learn from this video. If you didn't, please let me know in the comments down below. If you did and you want to say thank you, please let me know that in the comments down below. Either way, I love reading them and I will respond to you. That does it for today's video. I will see you next Thursday.